So in this video, we're going to answer a general question of how do I store data. This is kind of just a general concept of whenever you're working with automations, but also a good thing to kind of think about as you're using Bardeen. So Bardeen by default is a tool that actually does different actions. So it's going to go out and scrape, gather data, find information, and do all those different things. But by default, you still need a way to store information. There's several different ways that you can do that. The most common way that we usually recommend is via Google Sheet. So you can add information, take it away, adjust it. You could use Google Sheet as a free option for a little mini database. You can also use other things like HubSpot or Salesforce. You can use Excel spreadsheets. You can also use Airtable. All these different options are ways that you can store your data while Bardeen is actually doing its processing. So a common use case might be that you have a list of a bunch of different companies inside of one tab, and then you run that through Bardeen, and then you go through and you find all your different emails and you push it back into a second tab, or maybe you update the same tab. Whatever it may be, keep in mind of how you want to actually store your data, how you want to keep that and manage it, because that will be a crucial part as you are thinking about and designing your different automations. Thanks, and hope that helps.